Want to lose that fat really fast? Stay tuned. Reboot for health. Hello my strong and healthy friends. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a little trick, man, a little trick that I usually follow when I need to get rid of the fat really fast or get lean really fast. So this trick is going to help a lot of people, man. All the people out there who want to get rid of their fat really fast or don't want to drop any more calories to, you know, drop that last bit of fat they have on their body. So be careful before trying this trick, man, because the fat is really gonna come up really fast, man. And if you stuck a plateau to really break that plateau, this trick will really gonna help you. All you have to do is, man, all you have to do is train fasted. And after your workout is done, do not eat for at least 2 or 3 hours. Let me say it again. You're going to train on empty stomach. Doesn't matter what kind of activity you're doing, man. You're doing gym or bodyweight circus, yoga, whatever you're doing. Do it empty stomach. And post-workout, at least stay fasted for 2 more hours, man. And in those fasting hours, you can have your black coffee, green teas, anything you want. Trust me, give it a week. Don't knock it off before you try it, man. This is going to work like magic. Okay? So try this at least for a week. Don't drop any more calories. I'm assuming you're already in a caloric deficit. And do this technique and you will see the results, man. Please share your views in the comment box and make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, Reboot for Health.